In the previous video, we just looked at making a basic circuit using a power supply, a switch, and an output, which was a bulb. But in reality, we don't use pictorial symbols to show our electronic components. We use symbolic components instead. So rather than pictorial, I'm going to close that window down. We're going to use symbolic components. Often this is called a circuit diagram with symbols. It should be reasonably easy to understand. I hope you'll have done something like this in primary school, maybe in science lessons as well. And we'll create that same circuit directly below it, but this time only using symbols. We'll see whether or not you can recognize what the advantage is. So we've got a 9-volt power supply, exactly as we've got here. We've got an SPST switch, exactly as we've got there. And we'll choose a signal lamp, which is the filament lamp, exactly as we've got over there. And I'm going to connect that up. Okay, so if we look at that as our circuit, power supply, positive rail, switch, filament lamp, okay, which exactly represents this circuit over here. So what's going to happen, we've got the potential energy of 9 volts available here. When the switch is open, no power is able to flow, despite the fact that there are connecting conductive wires. That gap effectively acts as a 100% insulator. No electrons are able to pass. When we close the switch, power is able to flow through the switch down to the filament bulb, and it's able to cause the light to light up. And in this case, we've got 90 milliamps flowing at that point. 9 volts available. That supply is taking 90 milliamps because of the values of the filament bulb. Okay, 90 milliamps are flowing, 9 volt potential supply. Okay, very simple.